Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming safety and camera readiness, update firmware, charge batteries, and secure props. Next, pick one establishing shot to set context, a motion shot to add energy, and a reveal to hook viewers. Once done, set manual exposure and white balance so footage matches between clips. Use an ND filter for smooth shutter at bright light. Make sure GPS lock is stable and you understand local regulations before you lift off. This saves time and prevents ruined takes. You focus on movement and intention. Fly slow and steady to capture cinematic motion, about 1 to 3 meters per second depending on scene. Then, vary moves, linear passes for storytelling, arcs for dynamic framing, and reveals to emphasize subjects, keeping the horizon level to avoid jarring corrections. Once you complete a pass, make another at a different height or speed so you have options in editing. This redundancy is why pro reels feel polished, because you can cut between matches without jumpiness. You import and sequence your best takes, then match exposure and color so the reel reads as one continuous story. Use subtle stabilization only if it preserves motion. Once graded, export using the platform's recommended codec and resolution, 1080p or 4K at 2460 fps, so playback remains crisp. If you see jitter, rolling shutter wobble, or flicker, try recutting to a different pass, apply a rolling shutter correction, or replace the clip. That troubleshooting step usually rescues an otherwise great.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.